New York, Michael Cohen's memoir about President Donald Trump will be released September 8 by Skyhorse Publishing, which confirmed the news Thursday to the Associated Press. The book is called Disloyal: The True Story of the Former Personal Attorney to President Donald J. Trump. Disloyal is the most devastating business and political horror story of the century, according to a Skyhorse statement shared with the AP. It is a story that you haven't read in newspapers, or on social media, or watched on television. These are accounts that only someone who worked for Trump around the clock for a decade, not a few months or even a couple of years, could know. Earlier in the day, Cohen had released the book's foreword, writing of his estranged former boss, "He wouldn't mind if I was dead." He did not list a publisher for the book and, as of midday Thursday, it was not listed on Amazon.com or BarnesandNoble.com. Cohen is completing the last 2 years of a 3-year prison sentence at home after pleading guilty to campaign finance charges and lying to Congress. He was released from prison in May amid coronavirus fears, only to be returned in July after making it known that he planned to publish Disloyal. The U.S. government dropped its effort to silence Cohen late last month after an agreement was reached between government lawyers and Cohen attorney Dania Perry that lifted a ban on Cohen speaking publicly. Cohen's charges stemmed from his efforts to arrange payouts during the 2016 presidential race to keep the porn actress Stormy Daniels and model Karen McDougal from speaking out about their alleged extramarital affairs with Trump, who has denied the affairs. He has said that Trump directed him to make the payments. Skyhorse has a history of taking on books by controversial public figures, including a memoir this spring by Woody Allen that had been dropped by Hachette Book Group. Copyright 2020 by the Associated Press. All rights reserved.